we've laid our pavers all the way over to the store porch over here. So Luis is just finishing up putting the last couple pieces in. Got a little bit of a gap right here. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, because I hate to cut something that's that skinny, so we may try to use some rock, or we'll have to come up with some kind of neat idea to fill that gap. But right now I'm fixing to start putting in this plastic border that goes like so, and these big nails right here we've driven down through there, and this will just help hold that outside paver where it needs to be, of course, then locking in all the rest of them. And then we're going to put our polymeric sand down next and wet it in, and we should be about through with this little portion here, but it looks really good. So we finished putting our edging, got it all installed and tight so our pavers won't move, and I walked over this thing with a screwdriver and kind of straightened up any misaligned joints. We've got her sealed, or not sealed, but secured all the way around, and got it blown off. It's a nice pretty hot day. So now we're about to add our polymeric sand. Since we're doing two different colors, we're going to use a tan grout with the dark stone and a granite or gray grout with the tan. So I'm going to kind of flip-flop it and we'll see how it looks. So now we're about to apply our Techniseal sand. So we've dumped out our polymeric sand, Techniseal, and so now Luis is just sweeping it a bunch of different directions, get it down in the cracks real well. And we'll run the tamp over this in a minute once we feel like we've got them all filled in pretty good. And I'm not sure if I'm doing the right thing, honestly, by doing the dark grout with the light tile and the light grout with the dark pavers. But I thought it would look cool. Hopefully it won't look stupid, but we'll find out here in a little bit. We're a little further into the process now, and I guess you can kind of see what I'm attempting to do with the different colors there. I think it'll work. The only thing is when we blow it off, I'm not exactly sure how that's not going to allow them to really mix, but we'll see. But if it'll turn out right, I think it'll look pretty cool. So let's see if we can make it turn out right. Tamped it and we kind of broke one, and so Luis and I are going to rig up a little something. I've got this piece of foam, and we temporarily taped it up there to see if it works, and it does. It works really good. We're going to tape it up even better and then go back to tamping. But it's kind of a neat little trick right there. We've got our sand spread everywhere that we wanted. We've tamped it in really well. We broke two of the tiles, so we replaced those, and then as you saw, we put our little insulation on the bottom of the tamp, so we was able to go over the entire thing without breaking any more. Blowing it off now, I'm just hitting it with the little electric blower to get any little spots that may be left, because they say that'll cause staining, like right here. See how it's kind of in that little pocket. We'll blow that off, and then we'll begin to water. It's nice and hot today too, so that should help it here. Trying just to go lightly so we don't displace any of the sand. I think this wand's doing pretty good. Should be getting close.
All right, 30 seconds. Do you you want to stop and blow that off before you do this other section?
Yeah, maybe. I think I'm just going to use the battery powered one. This thing's pretty dang strong. What do you reckon?
That works.
Not strong enough. We'll use the gas one. So this is the first time I'm looking at the pavers since we got done grouting them in yesterday. And I'm pretty pleased with the turnout. And that polymeric Technoseal sand, that stuff is amazing. And I think it turned out all right as far as the color. But it almost turns into like a rubber mat, kind of, sort of. I mean, it's hard, won't wash away now, but it still drains, which is pretty amazing stuff. But overall, you know, for the first time us doing pavers, I think they turned out pretty well. The grout lines all look really good, and I'm pretty pleased with it overall. Kind of like the contrast in the color of the grout versus the paver. So I would definitely do this project again, and we're going to do more over there, and then we got a lot more going over there too. But if you need any pavers and you're in the Aiken, Augusta area, then come see us down here at Grassroots. We've got a lot of them in pallets already, and we're going to stock a whole lot more, so you have plenty to choose from, and hopefully we'll always have what folks are looking for. So appreciate you guys watching this, and we'll keep filming and do some more. Thank you.